to the Community Cookbook, which is the ability to export your board into an Excel format and then use that to send via email or however you want to use it. How it works is that it will take the first item in any board, so in this example item 2, and it will attach the Excel file to whichever file column you choose. So you just probably make an Excel file column, and then you can do it over every day, every week, and you can send an email with the export of that board. So if we run through an example, my trigger at the moment is just changing it to working on it, and what that will do then is trigger the workflow. It will create the Excel in the background, and then attach the Excel here, and then once it's attached, it will be able to use that attachment to send via email. At the moment, I've set it up so that you use it in a workflow, and then you pull back the data from that workflow, and you send it in an email. This means that you can send it via Gmail, Outlook, however you want to do it. It just makes it a little bit easier and a bit more flexible. So now that's worked, and it's attached the export of the board. So here's the group, and the names and the statuses that are in there. And then because it sent an email, if I just refresh this, here's the test email, and here's the Excel of the board. Now obviously you can use this then to have a consistent format of how you're exporting, and you'll be able to use this to create reports and your Excel reports, etc. off the back of it. If you've got any questions or anything you want to add, or anything that the Community Cookbook can add for you, views, columns, whatever it is, please reach out, and we're happy to build it for you.